Listen, I thought I'd share a little behind the scenes action with you regarding how I go about what I do, my particular and singular art form. Whatever you think of it, here's how it goes. If I think of something, then I go ahead and put it together as quickly as I can, and that's that, and go on to the next thing. Today, I recently bought a small refrigerator, and so I've got this box from the refrigerator, yeah? I've also got these boots that I haven't worn in years. So, here's what we're gonna do. We're gonna put all this together and make a strange little video called FRIDGEBOXMAN. There. What'd you think?